Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back. This is Steve of Boats Coins and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be looking at some German banknotes. These banknotes go back to the 1920s, early 1920s. Some of them are referred to as Notgeld type banknotes or not money. Basically they were local currency that was produced to help out local businesses. They were short-term things. They were normally, when they were printed, they also had an end date, and you had to cash them in on that end date, otherwise you lost the money. The first one we've got is a 25 Pfennig banknote from 1921. It's in Ostergarnisch in Partenkirchach. That's Partenkircha. It's a baronet in Germany, and it does have a Russian part to it. On this side we have a circular cartouche with the number 25 each side with Pfennig, and it looks like the crucifixion of Christ in the centre of the cartouche. If I just get my pointy stick, my metal skewer, here is a cross, and there is a person hanging off it, which I believe might well be Jesus. And then on the back you have another central cartouche with the 25 Pfennigs either side of it. It's dated 1921 in red ink over the top of it, and it shows a town on two contours, I think. Yeah, it's a town. Then either side you have agricultural workers. As I say, this note is 25 Pfennigs. The next note in the series, we have two notes that came from the same series. They're from the city of Bielefeld. The first one I'm going to show you is the 50 Pfennig. If I can get it out. There we go. It's a 50 Pfennig note. It was issued on the 1st of December 1921. It comes from the city of Bielefeld in Prussia in the province of Saxony. This 50 Pfennig note had an expiry date 1 month after the end of the call. So in other words, the call would have gone out, and then you had a month to exchange the money back so you could get the next set of banknotes worth 50 Pfennigs. It's a voucher for the city of Bielefeld, and it has two bare-chested porters there and there. And you had a lady with long hair tied into a bun, which is just here. On the rear of the note we had an industrial painting with a horse-drawn carriage showing, I'm not sure whether they are delivering something like coal. It looks like it, although I can't be 100% sure. There wasn't an explanation of the meaning of the back of the note. I think it's, from what I've read, they were normally issued to show companies who that the local government was trying to support. So that's a 50 Pfennig note. The third and last note I want to show you on this one is another one from the Bielefeld area, and it's a 75 Pfennig note. It's an overall monogram note. It's a voucher that was issued on the 1st of December 1921, and you had a month, as with the other note, you had a month to reimburse yourself once the call went out to say that this note was no longer in use. You've got a scantily clad lady on the front there with long hair sitting on a machine holding a lightning bolt in her right hand, which it is believed was to do with the coal and power industry. They reckon on the back you have an area that shows an open coal mine. These two gentlemen here, one is with the paperwork, they are believed to have been, the one on the left here is believed to be a magistrate. The one on the right, we believe, is an industrialist, although we can't be 100% sure on that one. On the reverse of the note, this is to show the workings of the coal mine and the fact that in 1920 they produced 8,855,700 tonnes. On the bottom here you have the lightning bolt. Oh, and on the left here is one of the fire brigade symbols. You see that? On the left here is the fire brigade symbol. On the right there is the lightning to show electricity. What do you think of these banknotes? They're very different from what we're used to seeing in modern day. And these were not actually called banknotes. They were called vouchers, and they were issued by the local government. These two happen to be from Bielefeld. And this third one, or the first one I showed, was Ogamangu. What do you think of these sort of notes? Would you want them in your collection? So, I'm going to close on this point and say, if you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you believe I deserve it, could you please subscribe to the channel. I am looking to grow the channel to 100 subs by Christmas, and I could do with your help to achieve that. I'm currently at 88, and it is mid to late August. I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you'll enjoy. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins or notes, I hope you can get them for the price that you want to pay. And finally, thank you for staying to the end, and until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far down the road, from me, thank you and bye bye. Ta-ra now.